morning everyone. I am Mac from class 11 non-medical. Today I am here to give information about G20, which is very important not only for India but also for the whole world. So firstly, let me introduce about G20 and why was G20 conceptualized. 24 years after the major economies, the world formed a group to discuss and exchange ideas, and the need to bridge a dialogue between developing and developed nations was realized. In 1999, Paul Martin, the Prime Minister of Canada, and Larry Summers, who is US Deputy Treasury Secretary, realized the need to form a parallel informal group of countries with the major regional economies from each region of the world. The idea to form a separate group was expedited by the financial crisis of Mexico in 1994, followed by the Asian crisis of 1997. In 1997, major Asian countries, we also call the Asian Tigers, South Korea, Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia, and Singapore are plunged into deep financial trouble after Thailand unpacked the Thai baht from the US dollar, setting off a series of currency devaluations and massive flights of capital. This crisis later also affected Russia. The nation defaulted on its debt, and other parts of Latin America, in which the Brazil's currency was devalued over 35%, forcing it into samba effect. To offset this financial crisis, the G7 created ad hoc groups, which was headed by the United States, to advise the Asian countries, whose help was however denied. The G7 witnessed the resilience of the Asian countries with the massive transformation of the Chinese economy and the substantial growth in the Indian economy in the 1990s. Therefore, it became increasingly apparent that a permanent forum for informal dialogue between advanced and emerging economies was required. Now, what is G20? After the Asian financial crisis, the G20 was founded on 25 September 1999. Finance ministers and central bank governors from the G7 group announced that they would work together to establish an informal mechanism for dialogue among systemically important countries within the framework of the Bretton Woods institutional system. The establishment of the G20 recognized the emerging economies and the sea change in the economic landscape which shaped the world over the last decade. The G20 was founded in 1999 after the Asian financial crisis as a forum for the finance ministers and the central bank governors to discuss global economic and financial issues. The Group of 20 is the premium forum for international economic cooperation. It plays an important role in shaping and strengthening global architecture and governance on all major international economic issues. India holds the presidency of G20 from 1 December 2022 to 30 November 2023. Now the G20 comprises 19 countries: Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, South Korea, Turkey, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Spain is a permanent guest. It is to be noted that the group lost one member, Nigeria, as it pulled out of the group due to structural problem in their financial system, creating underrepresentation from Africa. As the 20th member, the European Union was added to the group later. Now, for further information, I would like to call Aarti.
Thanks, Mac, for introducing us about G20. Greets everyone. Now I am Bharti. I would like to express my views on G20. Do you know who was the host of G20? India. India was delighted to host the 18th G20 summit on 9-10 September 2023 at New Delhi IMIC Bharat Mandapam. This was the first ever being hosted by India. I look forward to productive discussion with world leaders over the next 2 days. Do you know what was the theme of the international summit? The theme of the international summit was Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, or One Earth, One Family, One Future. It was derived from a famous ancient Sanskrit text, Maha The theme, which gave the message, the unity, was a perfect slogan of the international grouping. Do you know what was the G20 logo and who created the G20 logo? The G20 logo, the lotus, has a symbol of hope. The G20 will be start in New Delhi Patnaik created the G20 logo with the help of his students at the beach, whose size was 150 feet long and 50 feet wide. Do you know how many flags are flown in G20? According to officials, 43 flags are flown, 9 of invite countries, 14 of international organizations, and 20 of international G20 nations will be flown along the city's arteries during the G20 summit in the capital. Do you know what was the G20 agenda? The G20 agenda includes issues like sustainable development, impasses on foods and cryptocurrency, and social impact of Russia-Ukraine war. So further information would be declared by Chetna and Vartika.